Ladies and gentlemen, Jack and Coke Icicle Pops. Okay, so we grab cola, okay? We're not gonna call it Coke, but just cola, all right? We give it a little stir to remove the carbonation, okay? So basically you want flat Coke, all right? Then we come behind with some JD, some of Tennessee's finest. We pour that in, we give that a little stir, okay? Now we grab our little popsicle bags, we pour that bad boy in. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. Don't say I didn't give you a gift, okay? Love it. Love it. Simple, easy, okay? Just what the doctor ordered. That'd be some cool stuff if you go to doctor's like, hey, why don't you have a little bit of Jack? Okay, then we put that in the freezer, we break them out. The ultimate party treat, because that's what we do here at Tipsy Bartender. We specialize in booze, party, and fun. Okay, look how easy it comes out. And it's more slushy like, okay? It's good to go, all right? Delicious.